If Steam just refuses to open on your Windows 11 PC, stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll have it launching again without the headache. A lot of people run into this in 2025, and the fixes are easier than you might think. Let's start with the most common culprit, a stuck Steam process. Even if Steam doesn't appear to be open, it could still be running in the background and blocking a fresh launch. Open Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and choosing Task Manager, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Go to the Processes tab and scroll through both Apps and Background Processes. If you see Steam anywhere, right-click it and choose End Task. That closes out any hidden instances that might be jamming things up. Once that's done, try opening Steam again. It might work immediately. If not, don't worry. The next fix is quick and often overlooked. Adjusting Steam's compatibility settings. Locate your Steam shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click it and choose Properties, then open the Compatibility tab. At the bottom, you'll see the option Run this program as an administrator. Check that box. This forces Steam to bypass permission issues that can stop it from launching. Hit Apply, and then OK. And try opening Steam one more time. If it's still not responding, the last method will give you a clean reset, reinstalling Steam. It sounds drastic, but it's one of the most effective solutions when files get corrupted. Open the control panel, go to Programs and Features, and find Steam in the list. Click Uninstall and follow the prompts. Once it's removed, head over to the official Steam website, download the latest installer, and complete the setup. Your games are linked to your account, so once you sign back in, you're good to go. After going through these steps, closing background processes, running Steam as administrator, or reinstalling, you should be past the launch issue for good. If this helped you out, stick around for more Windows 11 fixes and PC tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.